In this question, we have to determine the value of current I after the switch is closed. First, let us consider the case when the switch is open. Okay, now I will be equal to, okay, first the switch is open. Okay, in the steady state, all the current will be flowing through the resistor because in steady state the capacitor is equivalent to an open cell. As a result of which, the current that is flowing through, okay, the resistor, 2 ohms resistor will be equal to 3 amps. The whole current will pass through it. Now, what we are more interested here is to determine the value of the voltage across this capacitor. Okay, this VC. Okay, now VC will be equal to the voltage across this 2 ohms resistor because no current is flowing through this resistor, as a result of which the voltage across this resistor will be equal to 0, as a result of which whatever be the voltage across this 2 ohms resistor will be equal to the voltage across the capacitor. Now, what is the voltage across this 2 ohms resistor? It is 3 amps into 2 ohms is equal to 6 volts. So, this will be equal to 6 volts. DC is equal to 6 volts. This is when the circuit is, when the switch is open. Okay. Now, after the switch is closed, what happens? Okay, this capacitor will start to discharge. Okay, it will discharge in either direction. Okay, and then we have this current source. This capacitor will be equivalent to a voltage source, except that this voltage across the capacitor will be reducing with time. But since here we have to determine the value of current at time t equal to 0, we can effectively replace this capacitor with a voltage source. So now the circuit can be redrawn as, okay, we have now this I will take as an voltage 6 volts, 3 amps, this is 2 ohms, and this is 1 ohm, and this is okay. Now we have to find this value of current I. Okay, now we will make use of superposition. The first case, let us consider 6 volt, I mean this to be short circuit. Okay, so what happens? No current will flow through this resistor, as a result of which this 3 ohms, this 3 amps will be getting divided between this 2 ohms resistor and 1 ohm resistor. Applying current division rule, we will get I in this case will be 1 amp. Okay, 1 amp will flow through this and 2 amps will flow through this. Okay, next in case 2, we will open this. Okay, this current source will be considered as open circuit, and this will be equivalent. Okay, this will be the only voltage source, that is a voltage source. Okay, now the value of this current I will be, case 1, I will be equal to 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2 amps. Now we have to add these two components. So finally, I will be equal to, let's put this in a box, I will be equal to 1 amp plus 2 amp is equal to 3 amps. So the correct option is A.